Hello friends, welcome to our channel Homeopathy The Healing Power. Friends, hyperacidity, indigestion, flatulence, constipation, all these diseases are commonly seen in our daily life. And in homeopathy, we have wonderful medicines to treat all these cases. So, in today's video, let's discuss one of the best medicine which is helpful to treat all these cases, and that is Rubinia. Before getting started, if you are new to our channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and select option all so that you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded from Homeopathy The Healing Power. Like this video and share this video. So let's get started. Rubinia. The common name of this medicine is locust tree or yellow locust. Locust tree grows more in United States, and homeopathic medicine is prepared by using bark of the locust tree. Rubinia belongs to the family Leguminosae, and this medicine was proved by Dr. W. H. Brute in the year 1864. Now friends, let's see the sphere of action of Rubinia. Friends, Rubinia has a special action on digestive system, and it specifically acts on stomach and intestine. Rubinia also acts on brain, vagus nerve and pneumogastric nerve. Pathogenesis. Friends, as we have seen in the sphere of action that Rubinia acts on digestive system, so when it specially acts on stomach, it causes excessive secretion of acid in the stomach, which is nothing but what we call hyperacidity. This results in disturbances in the process of digestion, which is followed by different types of symptoms like indigestion, flatulence, sore eructations, constipation, and excessive irritability of mind. Friends, now let's discuss symptomatology of Rubinia. Friends, all the symptoms of Rubinia patient start at night. This is one of the keynote symptoms. Friends, patient is fine whole day. Patient performs all his daily activity, and all the symptoms reappear at night. Rubinia patient always suffers from indigestion. There is severe hyperacidity. Patient feels burning sensation, and this burning sensation is between the shoulder blades and in the abdominal region. There is constant heaviness feeling in the abdomen with flatulence. Along with this, there is gurgling sound in the abdomen is felt at night. Friends, along with all these symptoms, patient suffers from eructations. There is regurgitation of food. In the cases where patient suffers from gastroesophageal reflux disease, this is also one of the important symptoms in the Rubinia patient. Patient also suffers from severe vomiting along with hyperacidity. And friends, the vomited matter is so sore that it sets the teeth on the edges. This is also the keynote symptom of Rubinia patient. After vomiting, there are eructations, and these eructations are also of sore fluid. Friends, nocturnal aggravation of all symptoms and acidity with soreness. These are the two most important symptoms which always should be kept in mind while prescribing Rubinia to the patient. Friends, along with this hyperacidity, there is one of the concomitant symptoms that is present in Rubinia, and that is headache. This headache is nothing but gastric headache. Whenever patient suffers from indigestion or hyperacidity, patient experiences severe headache. And friends, this is nothing but what we call gastric headache. And this is always present in the Rubinia patient. This helps in selection of Rubenia as a medicine in the cases of hyperacidity. Now, let's see the mental symptoms of Rubenia patient. Rubenia patient is always low-spirited and patient is very irritable. This irritability is especially marked whenever patient suffers from disturbances in the digestion. General modalities. All the symptoms of Rubenia patient are aggravated at night after lying down. The symptoms also get aggravated after taking milk, meat, cabbage or spicy food. And patient feels better in the morning. So friends, this is the video on homeopathic medicine Rubenia, a very effective medicine in the cases of digestive disturbances. I am sure friends, this video is very helpful for all as we have covered all the symptoms of Rubenia patient. Like this video, share this video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Please leave your valuable feedback in the comment section given below, and you can suggest which homeopathic medicines would you like to study in the coming videos. Meet you soon. Thank you for watching.